يا هلا والله أهلا وسهلا كيف حالكم يا جماعة. So that was the Arabic introduction. So anyways, right now I am leaving from work and I'll be going to Panorama Mall. The National Day is coming up and I already have a thobe. However, I would like to have one more. ابغى اشتري ثوب الثاني, so we'll buy a second one. I have found this one brand that was in the Panorama Mall, so it seemed like a good brand, so we'll go over there and we'll see what type of stuff they have. Last night I went to Panorama, however I couldn't go to all the shops because it was quite late, but today we are gonna explore some more, and then inshallah we also have the Saudi National Day coming up on 23rd. So it's sort of warm in Riyadh, not exactly like hot, but it feels more warm, which I would say is good. Better be warm rather than hot. So we would have to wait on this traffic light. In the meanwhile, another thing is that I often fall behind on making videos and stuff, although I'm quite passionate about it. However, today I would like to catch up on some of the old pending videos. On this channel we had a lot of traction, but then the views started to go down. But anyways, I'm gonna keep doing what I am already doing, and inshallah hopefully it will turn out well in the end. So from the looks of it, seems like we might face some traffic, because you see from there's a lot of cars coming. There's a Nissan Patrol, the latest model, looks wonderful. So we are on the Prince Turki Road. Actually it starts from there, across the crossroads. It will start from there. That's a BMW right next to us. The good thing about Riyadh is you get to see a lot of fancy cars, BMWs, Range Rovers, Maseratis, GMCs, Lexus, even Lamborghinis, Ferraris. So all in all, it's quite amazing. So here we are sitting in the traffic waiting for our turn to go from here. I feel quite tired though from the day's work. I would love to focus more on this channel. Also, along whatever I am doing my job and all this stuff, I have passion for investing, and I have been investing my savings and all that. So let me know in the comments if you would want us to talk about that as well. We can talk about the investing strategies, we can talk about the markets. There's a Porsche So apparently markets are quite good back in Pakistan, or am I a very good investor? I am sort of like up 33% on my, sorry for that, my portfolio holdings. Seems like I'm doing good, alhamdulillah. I have a lot of investing related ideas and stuff which I keep on applying with little amounts of money first, then if it works for me, then I put more money in those strategies, and so far it's going good, alhamdulillah. Let's check on our YouTube, our TikTok. Last night I showed you it was maybe 190 followers. It's 225 right now, and our most viral video is at 85k views. Mumtaz. So I'm getting some comments as well, which I'll reply to later. Grenadier, Ineos Grenadier, it was going over there. What about you? How's your National Day planned? What are you guys gonna do? And that is me. I would like to continue making more POV videos and recording all this. It's quite fulfilling, and since I'm recording my journey, it's Mumtaz. And I'm also going to Pakistan, so inshallah, hopefully in the coming couple of weeks I'll be showing you scenes from Pakistan as well, inshallah. It will be awesome. Now it's our time to go. Panorama Mall, here we come. So coming back to investing, have you people considered investing? And if you are already investing, which markets are you into? The Saudi markets, the Pakistani Indian markets, or the US market? I'd love to know. I think we can keep talking about that stuff while we drive. Right now, for the things in my life, it's my work, it's my social media presence, and also we could go from here, but we'll see if we can go from the next one. Okay, and also investing. Let's see if there is an exit, which there is, because I can see the board up there. So we are gonna take the exit to go to Panorama Mall. Last night it was quite a campaign to actually find the parking spot, but inshallah, hopefully today things won't be that bad because we are coming in early. These are the scenes in Riyadh, sunny evening. Now we are on road to Panorama. I think we can take this. No, not this one, the next one. Oof, there's still a lot of rush in it. Let's see if we can actually take the very first right into the Panorama Mall. Otherwise we are gonna park outside, but we shall see. Let us see. There's some good restaurants up here in Panorama Mall, but we are going for the thobe and some other stuff. أيوة يلا بسرعة. All these people want to go inside the panorama, I think. Yes, I think I should rather save time, because from what I see, it's gonna be a campaign yet again to find parking inside, so I'll park outside. Here I saw parking, but it's taken. Oh goodness, it's taken already, so we park over there. So here we go, we are parked. Mumtaz. So we'll see each other inside.